We are no longer just building AI chatbots. We have officially entered the era of the zero-human company. Today, I am taking you inside a groundbreaking open-source platform called Paperclip. This is not an agent framework. This is a complete corporate orchestration system that allows you to hire a CEO, a CTO, a marketing team, and lead developers, all powered by AI, and manage them inside a unified, automated workspace. Prepare to rethink everything you know about running a business. The dashboard, Jira for AI. Let's look at exactly how this works. I have a local instance of Paperclip running right now, and the dashboard looks exactly like a high-end corporate project management tool. But instead of human employees, look at our org chart. We have a CEO agent powered by Claude. Underneath the CEO, we have a Chief Technology Officer and a Chief Marketing Officer. And under the CTO, we have our frontline coding agents. This isn't just a conceptual diagram. This is a living, functional hierarchy. You assign a massive company goal to the CEO, and the CEO autonomously breaks that goal down into individual tickets, delegating tasks to the CTO and the CMO based on their job descriptions. We can actually watch the ticket system in real time. An issue is created, assigned, checked out by the AI, and moved to completed without a single human keystroke. Now, if you have ever run autonomous agents, your first thought is probably, this is going to burn through my API budget in 5 minutes. Paperclip solves this beautifully. First, they use a system called heartbeats. Agents don't run endlessly in a loop. They wake up on a strict schedule, check their assigned tickets, do the work, and go back to sleep. Second, the cost control is atomic. Look at this UI. You assign a strict monthly budget, say $500. Every single API call is tracked. When the agent hits 80%, you get a warning. When it hits 100%, the entire company halts. Zero runaway costs, period. Furthermore, you sit entirely outside this org chart as the board of directors. The CEO cannot execute a major strategy without your explicit approval. But here's the feature that is going to completely disrupt the SaaS industry. ClipMart. Paperclip doesn't just want you to build agents, they want you to download entire companies. Imagine browsing a marketplace, not for software, but for digital organizations. Need a marketing agency? You just download the Content Factory template and instantly deploy a full org chart of SEO analysts, writers, and publishers. Want to build an app? Download the DevShop template and you instantly have a product manager, engineers, and QA testers deployed to your local server. If OpenClaw is the employee, Paperclip is the entire corporate infrastructure, and it is completely open source and self-hosted. If you are currently trying to manage AI workflows, your setup probably looks like their before Paperclip matrix. You have 30 different Claude tabs open, you are manually copying and pasting context between windows, and you are terrified of runaway API loops that drain your wallet. Paperclip completely obliterates that chaos. It replaces your scattered tabs with a persistent ticket-based system. Because it uses atomic execution and persistent agent state, your digital employees have long-term memory. If your server restarts or an agent pauses, it doesn't lose its mind. It resumes its exact context across heartbeats, picking up the ticket right where it left off without starting from scratch. But here is the feature that is going to completely disrupt the SaaS industry. ClipMart. Paperclip doesn't just want you to build agents, they want you to download entire companies. Imagine browsing a marketplace, not for software plugins, but for fully fleshed out digital organizations. Look at these pre-built templates. Need a marketing agency? You just download the Content Factory template and instantly deploy a full org chart of SEO analysts, writers, and publishers. Want to launch a software product? Download the DevShop template and you instantly import a product manager, engineers, and QA testers directly to your local server. You are literally downloading a business model, importing the agent configs, and hitting run. So, who is this actually for? As the site scrolls through, the answer is clear. If you want to build fully autonomous 24/7 AI-powered businesses, or if you are simply exhausted from managing 20 simultaneous Claude windows to get a complex project done, Paperclip is your infrastructure. And looking at the frequently asked questions, they answer the biggest technical hurdle right away. Can I use any type of agent? Yes. Paperclip is completely unopinionated. Whether you are running OpenClaw, Claude code sessions, custom Python scripts, or standard HTTP webhooks, Paperclip acts as the universal manager. It sits at the very top, feeding instructions down the chain of command, ensuring your entire swarm works together toward one unified goal. Paperclip is giving us the ultimate corporate infrastructure, but here is the brutal reality. A zero-human company is completely useless if you don't know how to build, deploy, and command the specialized AI agents that actually do the work. If you want to understand how to build the OpenClaw and MaxClaw agents that run inside these massive systems, you need to join my private community, the AI Money Forge. We just crossed 213 elite members, and our classroom is loaded with the most advanced tactical AI blueprints on the internet. When you join, you get instant access to my masterclasses masterclasses on OpenClaw deployment, notebook LM automation, and the exact operating procedures we use to build highly profitable autonomous digital workforces. Stop playing around with standard ChatGPT prompts and start building your own zero-human empire. Click the link in the description to join the AI Money Forge right now, and I will see you inside.